I am the matrix king, represent matrix system, give orders and ensure balance in the kingdom.
I am transpose messenger, send messages by flipping row into column and vice versa.
I am zero villain. Try to destroy the system by introducing the singular matrices.
I am scalar knight, multiplies matrices with scalars to adjust resources in the kingdom.
I am determinant detective, a special investigator who checks if matrices are relatable.
I am an inverse wizard, a magic character who can invert matrix to solve problems.
I am column soldier, represent column in matrices.
I am row soldier, representing rows in matrices.
The matrix kingdom is under attack by the zero villain, who plans to destroy the system by making matrices singular. The matrix king calls upon the determinant detective, inverse wizard and other helpers to restore balance and save the kingdom.
Kingdom in trouble, kingdom in trouble. महाराज की जय हो, महाराज की जय हो.
Our kingdom depends on balance, but the zero villain has unleashed singular matrices. We must restore the order. Determinant detective, what do you see?
I found matrices with determinants equal to 0. They cannot be inverted. We need the inverse wizard.
Fear not, I will use my powers to find inverse of invertible matrices. But first, row and column help me to multiply these matrices correctly.
Row soldiers, you can do.
We will follow the rule, multiply rows with columns and add their products.
Column soldier, what you can help?
Yes, but remember dimension must match or the operation fails.
Transpose messenger, what you can help?
I will transpose matrices to make communication easier. Row become column and column become row.
You can't stop me. I will make the matrices singular by introducing zero rows.
We'll utilize you by scaling matrices and redistributing resources efficiently.
To have everyone's efforts, the balance is restored, the determinants is non-zero and your system work again. Let's remind us to power of matrices.